Hey there everyone, it's Henny here from BGC Hustle Hub and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And in today's video, I want to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to set up your first sales funnel in Systeme.io. Whether you're starting out or just looking to refine your strategy, this step-by-step guide will make it so easy for you to get started. So all you need to do is just follow along and I'll guide you through the entire process. Okay, so if you haven't signed up for a free Systeme.io account, you want to do so now. If you don't know how to do it, please just watch the video, which I will link in the description below this video. And it's plain and simple. You just click on this, get my free account, and it will guide you through the entire process step by step on how to create a free account. And if you have an account already and you're already logged in, once you click the sign in button, it should sign you in automatically, or you can just enter your username and your password and sign in. I'm going to click here and it will guide me to my main dashboard, which looks like this. Okay, now once you've logged in to Systeme.io, it will guide you directly to your main dashboard, which looks like this, where you'll find all your stats if you already have some campaigns running. What I want you to do now, as we are going to set up a sales funnel, I want you to navigate to your website. It will be on your top menu bar. You just click on this drop down and you select sales funnels. Okay, this is where you'll be adding your first sales funnel. All you want to do here is click on the create button. It will navigate you to it will open this pop-up where you can give your funnel a name. Let's just say DGC marketing, something like that. That's your sales funnel name, and this is your Systeme.io URL. Okay, so here you can select what do you want to do. You can either build an audience, sell a product, custom, so you can build one from scratch. In this case, let's just go for, we want to build an audience. Click on build an audience. You can select your currency from here. There's a drop down, and I'll just leave it at euro for this tutorial. Okay, so once you've ensured you have a funnel name, you want to click the save button. Now over here you can see you've created your first sales funnel. You have one funnel. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to click on this funnel. Once you click on this funnel, it will direct you to the template page where you can choose a template for your funnel. So let's just see what this looks like. Okay, here we're on the funnel template page, and you can select any template you like. Okay, let's keep it plain and simple. We will select this one. You can preview it here and it will look like this. Looks quite cool. Okay, we like this one, so we'll be using it. And then you just say select, and then it will add it to your funnel. And this funnel has two steps. It has the squeeze page, and what you want to do is you can rename it to whatever you like. Let's say, just say squeeze page, and once you click out, it will automatically save it. You see the tick mark, and you have a thank you page. Once you click on this one, we haven't selected a template for that yet, so let's use this one. It's basically the same color, so we keep it congruent. Okay, so we'll select this one, and this you can just say thank you page, and once you click out, it will automatically save it. To edit the squeeze page, all you want to do is click on the squeeze page and you go to the edit page. Once you click on edit page, it will open the editor. So here you can see on the left hand pane you have all your elements like text, heading, bullet, content box, images, videos, and you can scroll down and just go through and see what they have available for you. Okay, so over here you can add a logo if you have a logo, and up here you have a menu bar, so you can customize this. You can click on this and it will open on the side panel. You have your contact, your services, and your about. And you can add links here and make it clickable. So if you have an about page, you can link to the page by adding the link here to your about page. If you don't want this menu bar at the top, you can just click the delete button and it will delete it for you. So we delete this, and the same goes for everything else on the page. Everything is customizable and you can edit to your liking. You can add text and add whatever you like in here, and If you want to change out the image, you click on the image. It will open the settings for the image. Here you can see the size, so you can scale it like you want, and you can change out the image. This is the image we have. If you don't want this image, you just click on this button and it will delete the image. And if you want to upload a new image or select one from your gallery, if you already uploaded images, just click upload and you can select a file from your PC, or you can go to your images. I already have a couple which I selected, so you can select any image and you can add it. And then of course, as I mentioned, you can scale it to the size you want. So this is plain and simple. If you don't want the element in here, you can just hover over this green box and you can delete it. Just confirm and it will delete it for you. If you want to add text, you just click on the text and you can drop it wherever you like, and it will give you this lorem ipsum text here. You just double click on it and you can edit it, bold it, color it, anything you like. You can add links to it. The same goes for the videos. If you want to drag in and drop a video in here, you just drop the video in here. Once you click on it, you can add a direct link to a YouTube video, or you can custom embed the video, or you can upload a file, as many as you like, because it's unlimited. And then of course you can add padding, resize it to your liking. Let's just undo this. And if you want to add a button, a clickable button, they are buttons, so you can, wherever you want to insert the button, and once you click on this, you can say open URL and you can add the URL, maybe to a product, or to have an offer, you can put the link to the offer in here, and that's how simple it is. And you can customize this button, color it, resize it, shape it the way you want, add padding, remove padding, align it to the left, align it to the right. So you can play around with this and see what you like, and you can adjust the font size, adjust the text size, you can edit the text, you can add some padding if you want, bottom, top, the left, to the right, shape it the way you like, you can round the corners how you like it to be, and you can play around with it and see how it works out for you. Once you've finished deleting or adding elements, you want to go and you want to save your changes, and once you save your changes, you can go back, and then exactly the same applies for your thank you page, which we've already selected the thank you page. You just click on the edit button, it will take you to the editing page, and yeah, you can delete elements, you can add elements, edit the text, edit the images, add or remove. Don't want the menu because it's just a thank you page. You keep your logo on here, and that is it. You can add columns, 3 columns, 2 columns, 4 columns, you can add a row, and the same applies for everything else. And that's how simple it is, straightforward. Go ahead, play around with the system, get yourself familiarized with it, and once you're happy, start by editing your sales funnel the way you like it. Okay, in my next video I want to show you how you can add a order form. So if you have a product you want to sell, let's say for instance a digital product or a physical product which you sell, you're going to want to put an order form, and I'll show you all the steps you need to follow to get that order form to work 100%. So when a customer purchases from you, the money goes into your bank account or into your PayPal account or Stripe account or whatever you choose to set up. So once you're happy and you saved everything, you can go back to your funnels, and that's it for this video. And now you've successfully created your first sales funnel, your first funnel step. And always remember, once you've created a funnel, you always want to test it, and that you can do it by viewing your funnel step, the funnel which we just created. Okay, this is the image, and if you put some links in there, you want to test your links and make sure they work 100% and go where they're supposed to go. Okay, so don't take it for granted that everything is going to work perfect. Test everything, make sure it works perfect. And if you found this video to be helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, as I'll be posting videos like this on a regular basis, and I don't want you to miss out. And remember to check the links to the videos in the description below this video to see how you can sign up for a free account if you haven't signed up yet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.